see in this equation right here that minus h, remember that opposite day? So minus h is always, minus h is to the right. Plus h is a shift to the left. What about plus k? Up. And minus k? Down. So that can remind you that minus h is the opposite. So that's part of your formula sheet. So we're going to go to these notes right here. We're starting with linear transformations, which doesn't really mean much, to be honest. We're only looking at that like b, the y-intercept. So the only shifts really for linear is up and down. So y equals, what does n represent? We've been doing this. Good. Slope. And so if your slope is positive, is it going up or down? Up. So we know if the slope is positive, it's going up. What if it's negative?
Down.
Down. Put this. You're just writing this down in your notes. What's your b? My y-intercept. So my b is my y-intercept. Your parent function here is just y equals x. So I don't like this one here. It's not good.
You don't like it?
I would. It's still shifting up.
Yes. All right. So this -8 means what's my y-intercept?
-8.
Yeah. So it's going down 8, right? Because to plot my y-intercept, I would go down 8. Since the slope is positive, is the line going up or down? Up. So it's like increasing, right? It's going up. That's all we're doing.
Would that slope, would it be more flat or more steep? I heard two answers.
Steep.
So when you have that number in front, it's going to make it more flat. So if you have a fraction in front, it makes it more flat. So fraction, flat. They start with the same letter, right? F, fraction, flat.
As long as it's a proper.
Right. A less than one fraction.
Okay, what about the number 2? What's the shift here? Good. Down 7. Easy enough, right? Is this increasing or decreasing? If it's positive. If it's positive, what is it doing? Increasing. It's going up.
That's all we doing on this page?
Yeah.
So
That's it. So you're filling the rest in. I shouldn't see any phones out.
What is income?
Increase.
Increase, yeah.
Hey.
So for a brain buck, who could tell me the next one? Go for it, Daniel. For this one. It increases, it's going up.
Or down 9.
Yeah, down 9. Next one, who can do it for a brain buck? Isabel, go for it.
Up.
Yep, it reflects, so it's now going down. Perfect. It's going up by 8. Cool. I'm going to move on. They're not going to be essays. So I'm going to move on.
okay, put it down.
I'm trying.
It's just those 4. We're going to skip the last 2. We'll skip the last 2. It's increasing or decreasing or up and down. Cool. Now we're going to exponential. So this was pretty recent, but in case you don't remember it, that plus and minus, what does it mean if it's minus? Do you guys remember?
Oh, it's reflecting.
Yeah, reflects over x-axis, right? So negative just means reflects over x-axis. So we don't even have to look at a number if we see there's a negative in front, and that's with the quadratic ones too. Negative means it reflects over the x-axis. The A is your y-intercept.
This is
Stretch, right?
yeah, it's vertical. it's stretch or compression.
Yeah. So your A is your stretch or compression. What is minus H? We already did that one.
Stretch.
What's minus H? Zaylin, I should see it back of your head.
Zaylin.
Dante, I should see it back of your head. What's that
Zaylin.
say? What is minus H?
Stretch slash
Zaylin?
compression.
Yep.
That's left or right.
Good. So if it's minus H, is it shift left or right?
Right.
So if it's minus H, it shifts right. What about plus H? Shift left. So I just remember exponents are little numbers, right? So I remember little left and right.
Shift right.
So minus H is shift right, plus H is shift left. The last one is K. So if it's plus K, what is that? Shifts up. What if it's minus K?
Down.
Beautiful. So this isn't anything new.
Nothing. Something like
Just review.
light work, Misty. Ain't it light work? You don't think it's light work?
I said I think it's like
Yes, it is light work.
So let's get started. So this 2 just indicates your what? What's your A representing?
Stretch.
Yeah, so it's a stretch of 2. Stretch of 2. There's nothing in the exponents, no little numbers, right? So it's no left or right shift, but there's a big plus 3. So what does plus 3 indicate? Up 3, right? And so we can see the plus 3 here. If I'm going to go back to linear real quick, see how these are big numbers too, those big constants? The big numbers are always up and down. Cool. Who can raise their hand for a brain buck and tell me the next one, number 8? Daniel, go for it. Yes. Reflect over x-axis. Isn't that negative? And then what does that little plus 2 mean?
That means
Oh, Daniel's got it. Daniel's got it. Shift left 2. Beautiful. Does everyone get that? Little left and right. If it's plus, it's left. Minus is right. Beautiful.
yes.
Who can do the next one for a brain buck? I'm remembering to let those brain bucks do too.
Zaylin.
Want to give it a try, Kiki?
No.
Okay, cool. What's that 8 represent? Stretch. Mm-hmm. And what else?
down.
Beautiful. Down 4. That makes sense.
Oh,
For another brain buck, can somebody tell me whether that equation is growth or decay? Go ahead, Daniel.
It's most definitely decay.
How do you know it's decay, Daniel?
It has a fraction.
Daniel.
Because Dante just told him. This is a negative.
Not because it's down 4. Who can help him out? Go ahead, Isabel.
It's lower than 1.
What's lower than 1?
1.5.
Yeah, that fraction, that b is less than 1, so it would be decay.
What if that was 3 over 2? Would it be growth or decay?
Growth.
Cool. Who wants to do the next one?
Me.
Sure. No? I want to brain buck? Okay. Who wants to brain buck? Mari, go for it.
That's a compression site.
Or what is a negative?
Reflection over the x-axis.
Reflects over x-axis.
Right.
Beautiful.
There you go, Mari.
Middle, left and right, so right 5. Beautiful. And up 4. Perfect. Last 2, it tells you the shift, and you're just writing it. So horizontal, like if you're looking over the horizon, right, that's side to side. So that H just stands for horizontal shift. So if it's going right 4, and it has a base of 4, so that means my big number right here in the parentheses is 4. It's reflecting over the x-axis. What does that mean? It's going to be in front right here. Negative. Good. A stretch of 6. So that just is -6 right there. And then I'm going right 4. So what should be in my little number right here? If I'm going right 4. -4. Good. That's your answer. So this will be like a multiple choice type question on your test.
How do you know that?
All right, who wants to try the next one? How would I write that equation? Anyone want to try it for a brain book? Sure. Go for it, Mark.
So, yeah, alright. 1/2. So, 3,
Mm-hmm.
and
Does everyone get how you get that? Awesome. All right, last one we're going over is quadratic. It's basically the same thing. The last one before we do a little estimate is quadratic. You can get it. Yes, I do. Ask about it. You can get an answer. You can get an answer. All right. What does the sign do if it's negative? What does it do? Reflects. Do we remember negative Nancy and positive Patricia?
Yes.
That's coming back. If it's negative, it looks like that. Positive Patricia looks like that. Remember that? So negative Nancy, positive Patricia are going to come back right now. They're back. That was quadratic. So if it's negative, it looks like a negative Nancy, reflects over the x-axis. If it's positive, it looks like a smiley. Minus h, it's the same thing. So if it's minus h, what shift is it to?
Right.
Good. Shift right. Minus plus h. Good. I forgot about this a. It's the same thing as that stretch or compression.
No homo.
Plus k is what? Good. Plus k is
No
up.
homo. No homo.
Down is minus k. You know this is recording too, right?
Can you hear us? Can you hear us? Okay.
What'd you say? So stretch just means it's a number bigger than 1. Compress means it's going to be like a fraction.
I can't get it. It's too far.
Okay, next one. So who can tell me what is going on in that first one for rainbow? Sure, Zaylen, go.
Is it number 14?
13.
Alright, so reflect over A.
Good. Reflects over x-axis.
And then oh, I got it. It goes up to, right? No, it is not.
Shift to the
Shift
Remember, this is quadratic now.
Shift 3. Oh, shift to the right 3.
Yeah, right 3.
And then up 7.
Beautiful.
How about the 2?
That 2 is quadratic. It just tells you
I
it's
was thinking
quadratic.
of linear, that's what I'm mistaken.
Yeah. Or exponential.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
How do you like? Is it almost like a stretch?
Stretch is going to be if it's like a number that's bigger than 1. Compressed means it's going to be a
Oh my
fraction.
God, I have a rainbow. Oh my God.
All right, for another rainbow, who can tell me the next one?
Zaylen.
I see the same hand. Who else wants a rainbow?
I need to put more work.
Leslie, go for it.
Yesterday I didn't.
Stretch of 2. Beautiful. Right 5. And up 6.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Kiki, go for it.
Say it, Miss B.
Good. Since it's a fraction, it compress. Compression of a half. And then what?
No, right. Down 8.
Down 8. See how it's a big 8? See how there's nothing in parentheses? So it's not shifting left or right. That's why it's just x squared. So it's just down 8. Beautiful. Anyone want to try the next one? Go for it, Caleb. Compress by half. Left 3. And what does the negative mean?
You like that over.
Like
Come on, Caleb. Bert. Do something, Caleb. Do something, Bert.
and then left.
Quick.
Beautiful. All right, see if you can try the next two, and I'll give a brain buck. I'll give you like a minute to try to do it. Who didn't get a brain buck from me? Who I owe? You get Daniel.
Ready, go, Bert. Ready.
Yeah, if you want to write down the code.
Alright, you need to go down.
All right, I'll give you another minute. If you want to try to get member, you can cash in brain bucks for backer tests.
I need more. What if we have to throw up?
That's a good.
What if this is a race?
All right, who could do 17 for me?
Me. Wait, is it? I said B.
Who can do? You want to do it?
Negative. Negative.
So negative because it's reflects over x-axis. X-axis. Then it's x if it's shifting right.
Negative 4.
Mhm.
Then plus 6. I mean, no, down negative 6.
Perfect. Minus.
No. It's my fault.
So make sure you guys are right.
Isn't it positive 4?
All right, last one. Who wants to try for a brain buff? Michelle, you want to give it a try? Cool.
7 y equals 7
Beautiful. Y equals 7x squared plus 8. Perfect. Does everyone understand that? Cool. All right, so the bottom is just practice, and you are going to be able to get brain bucks with the bottom. So I am going to call on you. So we're going to give you 5 minutes. And so all you're doing is you're writing type of function. What type of function is the first one? Linear.
Oh, so sorry, I went to go set the timer.
Linear, and then you're just writing the transformation. So like it's negative, it reflects over x-axis and goes down 8. That's all you're doing.